Hey crafty friends, welcome to the channel. Let's get started on another beautiful collection project shared by Decorate Your Life. Grab your scissors, glue, and your favorite collection, and let's get started. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Welcome to today's edition of what I'm doing with my Cozy Summer Collection by Decorate Your Life. Today is my day to do my video. Is every Sunday, and this is the day I just like to grab my favorite drink. If it's summertime, it's iced tea or ice water. If it's winter or fall, it's tea or coffee. So today we are working with the Memdex card I made. Thank you, Treasures of a Crafty Mind, for your beautiful tutorial. If you haven't seen that, I'm going to invite you to go back, as well as look at the entire design team and their projects. We are all working very hard to bring you beautiful treasures made from the collections that Sandy makes at Decorate Your Life. These are one of a kind. I have yet to see anybody create such cute creations as Sandy. Nobody. I mean, she just outshines them all. So let's get into today's video. You're going to want to keep this code and or take a snapshot of the QR code. On to 15, and that's going to get you 15% off the cart at checkout. Also, don't forget, I will put a link in the description box below to everything Sandy and the Facebook group where you're going to want to join up for the inspiration and community support you will get from all these wonderful creators, and take part in Wishing Wednesday, where you can grant a wish and have a wish granted. It is up to, you know, if you whatever you have that's extra and you want to gift it to somebody, then that's the way to go. And if you have a little something you need, somebody else may have extra and share with you. So that being said, let's jump into this. Now, I did a lot of it prior to starting the video. Like, I fussy cut the little balloon out of the spring blossoms collection, and then I used the free paper that came with the kit with the little kites on it. If you haven't seen it, hop on over there while supplies last. And then I used a couple of my stamps to create some butterflies, as well as I inked the edge of the balloon. And I put on this bow came from Sandy's shop, and then these I pulled from my stash. But there we go. What I want to do now is I want to add the little flowers, a gift from my daughter. Thank you, daughter. And for all of you out there who are watching, thank you for being a part of my channel. Thank you for being subscribers. And I hope that each week I can continue to bring you inspiring and awesome content. Sandy made the cutest little ephemera holder. Oh my gosh, it's cute. I haven't seen what Jenny's working on yet this week. I gotta watch, keep my eyes open, because she's the social marketing, media and marketing director, and a talent powerhouse. That lady can make the coolest stuff. Her and Edwina do a lot of paper crafting, and then myself, Dahlia, like to do the journals. Mermaid Cove Studio, I think she's a mix of a little bit of this and a little bit of that. So you definitely want to hop on over there and get your heart's content on some really cool content. Like I said, everybody is amazing. I'm one flower short, and what happened is I dropped them prior to the video starting. So I'm going to have to just replace it with a new one. Let me get in, and I need a dark one. Come on out. What's the, there we go. So I need one of these darker ones. They're almost black. Right there. And then I got the little gems to go in between them. And I have a happy little balloon kite scene. And this, honestly, I'm pretty certain is my first ever completed Memdex card. I think I've tried them before, but just didn't quite hit the mark. But this has been fun. So again, thank you, Denise, for the great idea. And I know Jenny's doing a giveaway on her Memdex stuff. So again, all of the links will be in the description box. And I recommend and encourage that you hop over there and see what they're making. And oh, I think I lost 2 more. I gotta find them. Yeah, I had yellow and clear, and they are all gone. I'm honestly thinking about getting, oh, there it is, getting out the stickles for this too. Art Nouveau drop stickles. They're sort of the same, but I really do think I am. I was thinking about putting some of those the butterfly glitter on here, but they were really hard to get, you know, to pick up single. And when I laid them on here, they were also, they kind of blended in. But I feel like this is good. This will work. And we're going to let that dry. And then we're going to put it back in the Memdex box. So I cut out enough that I feel like I could probably do 1 a week. And also show it to you when we get ready to do the, you know, next week's episode. But that's my very first one. Tell me what you think. I'm going to add it to the box here, and I think that's pretty cool. I like that a lot. There it is. And that lays nice in there. Pretty cool. And I think if it doesn't, I can always take these guys and make that hole slightly larger. Everything's fixable. Everything's amendable. Yes, that did it. So it slides a little tight, but it will loosen up over time, I feel like. But anyhow, there's my first one, guys. And I am currently in the background printing stuff for the bees. I'm sorry, I drew a blank. Honey Bees and Summer Breeze kit. So I told you guys I definitely plan on making a, see, this one was supposed to go next, but this piece didn't agree with this piece. So I have to switch them up and do it this way, because I wanted them to go in order, so that it's uniform, symmetric. So this one will go in front. But anyhow, I just broke out my Cricut and got these. I designed them there myself. How about that? I was pretty like, wow, this is cool. Did it myself, and some of them didn't turn out that great, but I'm going to cover them anyhow. But what I liked about it is how easy it was. And this one, and this one, and this one. And so I'll get a little braver as we go here, but look at that. Yay! And I want to do some little puffy things up here or something. Do some 3D stuff up there so it kind of sticks up and out when we design. Oops, I got that one in the wrong spot too. Well, you get the idea. So anyhow, I'm out. I'm going to move on, and I shall see you guys next Sunday with a newly created Memdex card. And then I should have everything done in the little journal I'm making for the summer bees. No, honeybees and summer breeze. Well, spit that out here. Anyhow, so I did print my design here, but I'm working on something to go with it. So that being said, you guys know what to do. Stay tuned. Next Sunday will be here before you know it. And I will have yet another design team project ready to rock and roll. Thanks, guys. You're appreciated. Thank you so much for crafting with the Diva today. I truly appreciate you spending this creative time with me. If you've enjoyed this project, please like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, keep it creative, keep it inspired, and I'll see you soon.